If you think 3D printers are still slow, complicated, and difficult to use, 2026 is going to change your mind. Today's 3D printers can reach speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, automatically level the bed, print in multiple colors, and even switch between different tool heads automatically. But with so many options available, which 3D printer is actually worth your money? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, including high-speed CoreXY machines, multicolor printers, and an innovative 4-tool head system. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The K2 Plus uses a CoreXY motion system, supports printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, and can reach up to 30,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration. It also features an all-metal hot end with temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius. But the real attraction is the CFS multicolor system. With the CFS, you can print models using multiple filament colors and materials without manually changing filament throughout the print. It also supports a huge range of materials, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, carbon fiber materials, and more. So, if you're making large models, functional parts, prototypes, or detailed multicolor projects, the K2 Plus combo gives you plenty of room to grow. Pros: up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed, large format CoreXY design, CFS multicolor printing, 350 degrees Celsius maximum hot end, supports many advanced materials. Overall, the Creality K2 Plus combo is my top pick for users who want a powerful, large-format, multicolor 3D printer. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X. The AD5X uses a CoreXY design and offers a maximum travel speed of 600 millimeters per second, with printing speeds up to 300 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared. It has a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume, automatic bed leveling, filament detection, power loss recovery, and a maximum extruder temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. The big feature is its 4-color printing. The system is designed to make multicolor printing much easier without requiring 4 separate extruders. You also get Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB connectivity, and compatibility with Orca FlashForge and Orca Slicer. Pros: 600 millimeters per second maximum travel speed, multicolor printing, CoreXY design, automatic leveling, 300 degrees Celsius extruder, 220 millimeter cube build volume, Wi-Fi and Ethernet, and easy setup. Overall, the AD5X is a great choice if you want fast and relatively accessible multicolor printing. Number 3. Creality K2 Plus. Yes, this is essentially the same K2 Plus platform as our number 1 pick, but if you're comparing different Amazon listings or bundles, it's important to check exactly what's included before buying. The K2 Plus offers CoreXY movement, up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed, 30,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, a 350 degrees Celsius hot end, and support for a very wide range of filament materials. Its CFS system is what makes this printer particularly interesting for multicolor projects. You can create colorful models, prototypes, decorations, functional components, and much more while taking advantage of the printer's large format design. Another advantage is connectivity. The K2 Plus supports USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, and it can be monitored and controlled remotely through compatible Creality software and services. Pros: fast CoreXY printing, up to 600 millimeters per second, 350 degrees Celsius hot end, CFS multicolor capability, wide material compatibility, Wi-Fi and Ethernet, and remote monitoring features. My advice here is simple.
If you're choosing between this listing and the number 1 K2 Plus listing, compare the bundle contents and current price carefully. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. The 5M Pro features a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, CoreXY style all-metal construction, automatic leveling, and speeds up to 600 mm per second. It also comes 95% pre-assembled, so setup is relatively straightforward. The printer is enclosed with a removable PEI steel build plate, a direct drive extruder, and a maximum nozzle temperature of 280 degrees Celsius. The big feature is that this printer makes it particularly interesting for home or classroom use because of its filtration system. The enclosed design uses HEPA and activated carbon filtration, which is useful when printing certain materials. You also get camera monitoring, filament runout detection, automatic shutdown, power loss recovery, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB connectivity. Pros: up to 600 mm per second speed, enclosed design, 220 mm cube build volume, automatic leveling, 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, camera monitoring, HEPA and carbon filtration, and easy setup. Overall, the Adventurer 5M Pro is a fantastic option if you want speed, an enclosed design, and beginner-friendly operation. Number 5. Snapmaker U1. The U1 uses a 4-tool head system, allowing it to automatically switch between tool heads instead of relying on a traditional single extruder color-changing approach. And here's the impressive part. Snapmaker's specifications list a tool head change of around 5 seconds, along with a 270 by 270 by 270 mm build volume and up to 500 mm per second tool head speed. Each tool head can use a different filament or nozzle setup, making the system particularly interesting for multi-material printing. The U1 supports materials such as PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA, with additional materials possible depending on configuration. Its hot end can reach 300 degrees Celsius, and the headed bed can reach 100 degrees Celsius. The biggest advantage is that you can dedicate different tool heads to different jobs. For example, you could use one for standard PLA, another for support material, and others for different colors or materials. Pros: 4 independent tool heads, very fast tool head switching, 270 mm cube build volume, up to 500 mm per second tool head speed, 300 degrees Celsius nozzle. Overall, the Snapmaker U1 is one of the most interesting choices here for enthusiasts who want true multi-tool head flexibility. So, which 3D printer should you buy? If you want maximum performance, a large build area, and multicolor capability, the Creality K2 Plus combo is my top choice. If you want fast and relatively accessible multicolor printing, the AD5X is worth considering. If you're comparing K2 Plus bundles, make sure you check what's included and choose the package offering the best value. If you're a beginner who wants a fast, enclosed printer, the Adventurer 5M Pro is an excellent option. And if you want advanced multi-material printing with 4 tool heads, the Snapmaker U1 is one of the most innovative choices on this list. Ultimately, the best 3D printer depends on what you're planning to print. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.